this is Dave. Just a quick review on our Climapod greenhouse, which we really like. It's a 9x14, very durable. It's withstood wind, winter storms, summer storms, some hail. Never let us down. Good quality construction. We really like it. It was easy to put together. The only tip I would say is if you're going to put it together, sit down and read the instructions thoroughly before you start. Get a nice big flat space and go to work. You'll have no problem. When we built ours, we built it on a square wood frame, anchored it with 6x6 wood posts, put a little concrete on them so it can withstand the wind. Sometimes the wind comes down out of this valley and can get pretty strong. The end of the season here for our little greenhouse, so we don't have anything green to brag about, but here's an example of the posts that are set in the corners. We have 3 on each side, 1, 2, and 3 there. We have a few raised beds, and we opted for the shelving for workspace. All works out great. That's all I got to say. Bye.